Hi all, I am Meenakshi. Welcome you all to my channel Moneymax. Today we are going to see solution of a system of linear equations using Grammar's rule. Before that we are going to see what is a linear equation. Today we are going to see linear equations with two variables. What is linear equation? An equation of the form ax plus by equal to c is called a linear equation. Here a, b and c are called the constants, x and y are called the variables. Okay. Also, a and b is called the coefficients of x and y respectively. These are the examples of linear equations. 4x plus 2y equal to 3, 5x plus 7y equal to 1. Here 4, 2, 3, 5, 7, 1 are constants. Okay, x and y are the two variables. Then what is system of linear equations? What is system? System means two or more equations. A system of linear equations is just a set of two or more linear equations involving the same set of variables. Involving the same set of variables. A system of linear equation is just a set of two or more linear equations involving the same set of variables. Okay. Here, x and y are the two variables. Same set of variables. This is equation 1, equation 2. Therefore, two or more linear equations. Here we have two linear equations. Here we have, therefore, we can tell this is a system of linear equations. And the same set of variables, the equation 1 have the variables x and y. Similarly, the equation 2 have the variables x and y, which is called the same set of variables. Okay. It is a system of two equations in the two variables x and y, which is called the two linear equation in two unknown x and y. Solution to a linear equation. What is the solution to a linear equations? When we solve the two equations, we can get the value. Finally, we can get the value of x and y, which is the solution of the two linear equations. For getting the value x and y, which is the solution of the two linear equations. When we substitute the value of the two values of x and y, we can get the value 1 and 2, which is then such that all the equations are fulfilled. Okay. Then a system of two linear equations in two unknowns, x and y are as follows. We can write a1x plus a12 equal a12y equal to b1, a21x plus a22y equal to b2. We can take a equal to a11, a12, a21, 22, and x equal to xy, here b equal to b1, b2. Then we can write in the form of matrix. A x equal to b, here a equal to this, a b equal to x equal to xy, and b equal to b1, b2. X equal to, we can take a and right side, we put inverse, a inverse equal to b, x equal to a inverse into b. We can put this b equal to 0. This is a system of homogeneous. B equal to, what is b? B is b1, b2. b1 b equal to 0. This is a system of homogeneous equation. Otherwise, we can tell which is a system of non-homogeneous equation. These are some examples for homogeneous and non-homogeneous. Okay. 2x plus 5y equal to 0, x minus 3y equal to 0 is a homogeneous system of two equations in two unknown x and y. How we can tell this is a homogeneous equation? Here the value of b1 and b2 equal to 0. Therefore, we can directly tell which is a homogeneous system of two equations with the two unknown x and y. Then we can tell directly this is non-homogeneous because here the value of b1 and b2 are not equal to 0. Therefore, which is a non-homogeneous system of equations. Okay, are you understand? Next we are going to see Grammar's rule. How to solve the equations by using for 2 by 2 matrices, or next one is 3 by 3 matrices. First we can solve a1x plus b1 equal to d1, a2x plus b2 equal to d2. We can take delta equal to a1, b1, a2, b2. Okay, we can take this coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of x, coefficient of y. Delta equal to the determined value of a1, b1, a2, b2. Then del x, this is d1, d2. Okay. Then how we can take del x? How we can write del x? We can replace this a1, a2 by d1, d2. How we write del x? We can this a1, a2 by d1, d2. Okay. Next, D1, D2, B1, B2. Then how we write del y? We can replace this B1, B2 by D1, D2. We can replace this B1, B2 by D1, D2. Okay, now. Next, for 3 by 3 matrices, as usual, we can take the system of three linear equations. A1x plus B1 equal to B1y plus C1 is equal to D1. A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to D2. A3x plus B3y plus C3 is equal to D3. Then we can write this delta. We can write delta equal to this A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Okay. Then del x. How we can write a del x? Replace this A1, A2, A3 by D1, D2, D3. Remaining columns or rows are same. Then how we write del y? Replace this B1, B2, B3 by D1, D2, D3. For del z, we can replace C1, C2, C3 by D1, D2, D3. Okay. Are you understand? How we write del x, del y, del z. Del a, del x, del y, del z. La, ipo eppadi eludhurom ungalku purinjirukku nenikiren. Then equation. Eppadi equation eludhu paakalam. The equation. What is the equation of grammar? Grammar's equation is x by del x, y by del y, z by del z equal to 1 by delta. X by del x equal to y by del y equal to z by del z equal to 1 by delta are Grammar's equations. This is a Grammar's equation. From the equation, we can take the value of x and y. We can equate this x by del x by 1 by delta. Next y by del y by 1 by delta. Next z by del z by 1 by delta. We can get the value of x, y, z. First, we can take x by del x. We can equate these x by del x equal to 1 by delta. We can have the value of x equal to del x by del. Similarly, you can equate y by del y equal to 1 by delta. We have y equal to del y by delta. Then similarly, z by del z equal to 1 by delta, na z equal to del z by delta. Okay, va? So Grammar's equation, three equations kuduthukanga. Adula irundhu del x, del y, del z eppadi eludhranu paathachu. Adanoda equation, Grammar's equation oda form eppadi irukonu paathachu. Adula irundhu x oda value, y oda value first கொடுத்திருந்த three system of equationல இருந்து del x, del y, del z கண்டு எழுதணும். அதுல இருந்து திரும்ப என்ன பண்ணோம்? x, y, z எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னு பார்த்தோம். ஓகேவா? இப்போ ப்ராப்ளம் போலாம். For example 1, using Grammar's rule, 5x minus y equal to 9, 3x plus 5y equal to 7. Okay. எப்படி del எழுதுறது? Del equal to a1, b1, a2, b2. அப்ப del equal to என்ன? Substitute the value of a1, a1 3, a2, a1 5, a2 3, b1 minus 1, b2 1. Okay, va? Already we have seen how to solve the determined value in my previous videos by using this. Del equal to, we can multiply 5 into 1, 5, minus 3 into minus 1, minus 3, 5 minus 3 equal to 5 plus 3, 8. So del oda value kandupidichachi. Then del x எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் formula தெரியும். Del x equal to d1 d2 b1 b2. Okay va? We can substitute this a1 a2 by b1 b2. Then we solve. After that we get 9 plus 7 equal to 16. Then for del y we can replace b1 b2 by d1 d2 the value 5 3 9 7 we multiply and subtract we can get 8. Then we can put all the values. We know the formula x equal to del x by del a. Substitute the values of del x and del. We can get x equal to 2. Then y equal to del y by del, we can get y equal to 1. Then this is the value of the variables x equal to 2, y equal to 1. Okay, va? புரிஞ்சுதா இப்போ? Grammar rule கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா first del எழுதணும். Del x, del y, del z எழுதிட்டு அதுல இருந்து எப்படி x ஓட ஃபார்முலா y ஓட ஃபார்முலா எழுதி வேல்யூ சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா அதல x ஓட வேல்யூ y ஓட வேல்யூ கிடைச்சிரும். ஓகேவா? Similarly, by using Grammar's rule, solve the 3 by 3 matrices. We can take del equal to these coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of z. Okay, we can get the value of del. Then already we have seen how to solve the 3 by 3 matrices by determined by taking this. We put the sign alternative plus minus plus this. First we take this 3 as outside, leaving this column and this row, remaining terms 1 1 1 minus 1. Similarly, we can take 1, leaving this row and this column, leaving this row and this column, 1, 1, 2, minus 1. Then plus 2 outside, leaving this row and this column, 1, 1, 2, 1. Okay. Then 3 into, we can multiply, we can get the value. Then 1 into multiply this value, 2 into multiply this value. And solve, how to solve? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and multiply. Finally, we can get the value minus 11. Here, del equal to minus 11. Similarly, find del x. Find del x, we can replace a1, a2, a3 by d1, d2, d3. And it is as usual, we can take 8 as outside, minus 1 as outside, 2 as outside. Solving, we can get del x equal to minus 11. Del y, how to find del y? Replace this b1, b2, b3 by 8 to minus 1, okay? 3 as outside, leaving this column and this row, 2, 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 8. Minus 8 வெளியேற்ற 1, 1, 2, minus 1. Plus 2 வெளியேற்றிங்கன்னா 1, 2, 2, minus. Okay வா? இப்போ 3 into இதை multiply பண்ணுங்க. 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus into minus 1 என்ன? Plus 1, minus 8, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 2 into minus 1, minus of 2 into 1, minus 2, plus 2 into 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus 2 into 2 na minus 4. Solving this, we can get del y equal to minus 1. Similarly, for del z, we can replace c1, c2, c3 by d1, d2, d3. Okay. And we can take a 3 outside, minus 1 outside, 8 outside. Finally, we can get the value of del z equal to minus 22. Del equal to del enna vanduchi? Del equal to minus 11. Del x equal to minus 11, del y equal to minus 11, del z equal to minus 22. Then we substitute the values, all the values in this formula. X equal to del x by del, minus 1 by minus 11 by minus 11 equal to 1. Then y equal to 11 by minus 11 equal to minus 1, z equal to minus 22 by minus 11 equal to 2. அப்போ புரிஞ்சுதா? x ஓட வேல்யூ 1, y ஓட வேல்யூ minus 1, z ஓட வேல்யூ 2. இப்போ 3 by 3 matrices கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா எப்படி grammar store வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணி சால்வ் பண்ணது பார்த்தாச்சு. ஒன் மோர் ப்ராப்ளம். சால்விங் கிராமர் ஸ்டோர் டெல் எடுத்தாச்சு. டெல்லோட வேல்யூ a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3. டெல் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். டெல்லோட வேல்யூ 168. சிமிலர்லி del x minus 168, del y 84, and del z 56. We know the formula. Substitute all the values of del x, del a, del y, del a, del z in del. We substitute all the values and finally we get the values for x equal to minus 1, y equal to 1 by 2, z equal to 1 by 3. Okay. இப்போ உங்களுக்கு லீனியர் இக்குவேஷனா என்ன, சிஸ்டம் ஆஃப் லீனியர் இக்குவேஷனா என்ன, சிஸ்டம் ஆஃப் லீனியர் இக்குவேஷன் கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா அதுல இருந்து டெல் எப்படி எழுதுறது, டெல் எக்ஸ், டெல் ஒய், டெல் இசட் எப்படி எழுதுறது, அதை சால்வ் பண்ணி எப்படி எக்ஸ் ஒய் இசட்டோட வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுன்னு உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். வீடியோஸ் எல்லாம் தொடர்ந்து பாருங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.